The question of whether women and men differ in intelligence is a contentious one. For centuries, pseudoscience was used to relegate women to the domestic sphere, deemed intellectually inferior to men. Today, we strive for a more nuanced understanding, acknowledging the dangers of both biological essentialism and the outright dismissal of any differences. Understanding the cognitive differences between genders, if they exist, is not about declaring one superior. It's about moving beyond simplistic binaries and appreciating the diverse ways our brains operate. This exploration is crucial for several reasons. First, it allows us to challenge harmful stereotypes that limit opportunities for both men and women. Second, it helps us develop educational approaches tailored to individual strengths. The goal is not to fuel the flames of a tired debate, but to illuminate the fascinating complexities of the human brain and promote a future where everyone can thrive. One avenue of exploration in the gender and intelligence debate lies in examining potential structural and functional differences between male and female brains. While both sexes share the same basic brain anatomy, subtle variations have been observed in specific regions and their interconnectivity. For instance, studies using neuroimaging techniques like MRI have revealed differences in gray matter volume. Females tend to have higher gray matter concentration in areas like the planum temporale, linked to language processing, and the insula, involved in emotional awareness. Conversely, males often exhibit larger volumes in the amygdala, associated with emotional responses, and the hippocampus, crucial for spatial memory. Beyond gray matter, variations in white matter tracts, the brain's communication pathways, have also been documented. Some research suggests that males tend to have stronger connections within hemispheres, potentially facilitating faster information processing within specific brain regions. In contrast, females often display stronger connections between hemispheres, possibly contributing to a more integrated and holistic cognitive style. The age-old debate of nature versus nurture takes center stage in discussions about gender and intelligence. While differences in brain structure and function might suggest a biological basis for cognitive variations, attributing these solely to genetics oversimplifies a complex interplay. Proponents of the gender similarities hypothesis, championed by psychologist Janet Hyde, argue that observed cognitive differences between genders are minimal and largely attributable to social and cultural factors. Hyde's extensive meta-analyses reveal that most psychological gender differences are either small or non-existent. This perspective emphasizes the profound impact of socialization on cognitive development. From an early age, children are bombarded with gender stereotypes that shape their interests, self-perceptions, and ultimately their cognitive performance.